how to actually get smarter without wasting years in school. Most people think getting smart means going through 12 years of school, then college, then grad school, but all that doesn't always make you smart. Sometimes it just makes you broke. You might end up jobless, but hey, at least you can complain about it on Reddit in perfect English. The truth? Getting smarter is actually pretty simple. Even if you think you're not born smart compared to animals, you're already winning. When we say we want to be smarter, we usually mean a few things. Learn useful skills, especially ones that make money. Solve problems better, ideally again, for money. Understand tough topics, for money and to impress people. Sound smart in conversations, but not so smart that people think you're annoying. The problem is most advice online is either way too vague, like something from a philosopher, or too shallow, like random brain hacks that don't actually help. You'll hear stuff like, eat blueberries, drink coffee, sleep more, listen to classical music, take IQ tests. Sure, that might help a little, but at some point, you have to actually learn things. Even in the past, super smart people didn't rely on that stuff. Some of them barely slept, and they just learned and practiced like crazy. So, what does work? The main thing? Read. Fiction helps you read faster, improves your vocabulary, and gets you used to how people talk. Nonfiction teaches you real stuff you can use in life and in conversations. Want to sound smart? Drop interesting facts in a natural way. Example. Well, actually, humans didn't evolve from chimpanzees. Yeah, it's wild. I was reading that humans and chimps actually evolved side by side, not one from the other. Same fact. Less annoying. Now people think you're smart and chill. How to find good books. It's easy. Pick a topic you care about. Google it. Books about cleaning. Find one that looks useful. If it costs money, well, sometimes your finger might accidentally land on a website where it's free. Oops. How to learn skills. Before learning anything, here are 3 key things to know. 1. If you don't use a skill, your brain forgets it. 2. You only need to learn the important 20% to get 80% good at something. 3. You have to practice. Watching a video isn't enough. Example, you won't learn to tie a tie by just watching a video. You have to try it while watching. Same with reading. Your brain only keeps the info if it thinks it's useful. So, if you read a chapter about how to clean a bedroom, go clean one. Doesn't even have to be yours. What if you can't practice it right away? Like learning how to jumpstart a car? Just imagine it. Picture the steps. Watch a video and pretend it's your car. Your brain will treat that like real practice. This is why school has tests. You learn something, and then the teacher creates a fake situation, a test, to make your brain remember it. But once the test is over, your brain forgets. Because it thinks it's no longer useful. So instead of just studying passively, make it active. Do practice questions. Test yourself. Create little challenges. Pretend your life depends on naming all the parts of a cell. The fastest way to get smart. Use what you learn, apply it, or imagine applying it. And the best tools? Textbooks. They're not fun, but they're packed with useful info and practice questions. They don't waste time. They're made to help you really understand things. And yes, there are places where you can find textbooks for free. Completely by accident, of course. Before you go there, though, support the cause by subscribing or sharing. That helps keep the tips coming.